my dear, lovable and dear children and all physics lovers. I am Mahima teacher. Welcome to Mahima teacher physics classroom in Spec Nature. And today's section we have to discuss the concept of electric dipole. Electric dipole, it is an arrangement of pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a distance 2a. That is, if you like this, plus q and minus q, and which are separated by a distance 2a, and this is the center of the dipole. The midpoint of the dipole is known as the center of the dipole. And here we are to plot a distance a from the center of the dipole to the charge plus q as a and to the minus q as a. Okay. And according to the additivity of charges, if we consider q1, q2, q3 are the charges on this space, the total charge is equal to q1 plus q2 plus q3. And we have to consider its sign also. And so, here one of the charge is plus charge and another is minus charge, so that the total charge is equal to 0. But the electric field due to this arrangement never cancelled out. And if we consider a distance r is less than or equal to 2a, electric field not equal to 0, any point on this space. Okay, any point on this space. And if we consider a point on the axis P, and r is the distance from the center of the dipole to the point P, then we know that the electric field vector due to positive charge is always outwards. That is, here it is E plus Q, like this. And electric field vector due to minus charge is always inwards. It is towards minus charge. That is E minus Q. Then the total electric field on that point is equal to, according to the superposition principle, it is added together. Like, it is added together. It is the vector sum of electric field due to all charges on that point. That means E is equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q. But here it is in opposite direction. So, it's like this. E is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. Okay. And if we consider another point on the equatorial plane and the distance r from the center of the dipole, the electric field on that point is equal to somewhat E plus Q and E minus Q. In that case, we have considered the parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, got it? And if we consider a point very much greater than 2a, E equal to 0. Sometimes E equal to 0. That is, if we consider the distance r which is greater than, very much greater than 2a, electric field is equal to 0. Electric field vector is cancelled out. Okay. And in order to study this arrangement, there is another term, the electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment that can be represented by a letter P. And electric dipole moment, it is a vector quantity to denote with a arrow mark. And it is the product of one of the charge and the distance between the arrangement. Okay. It's a magnitude and there is a direction. It is given by unit vector P. The direction of the dipole moment, it is from minus charge to plus charge. We know that the electric field vector, it is its direction is from positive charge to negative charge. But dipole moment, it is pointing from negative charge to positive charge. It is opposite to the direction of electric field vector. Okay. We know that electric field due to a single charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square, where Q is the source charge. Electric field intensity depends upon the source charge, not on the test charge. Electric field, what is electric field? Electric field, it is the region or the space around a source charge where any test charge can feel force of attraction or force of repulsion. Okay. And here, from this equation, E is inversely proportional to R square for a single charge. Then what will be the electric field due to two charges? What is the result? That we'll discuss on another section. Okay, I wind up this section. Thank you for all watching this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like it and share with your friends. Okay, see you on another section with the another topic. Okay, bye.